In this video, I'll show you how to enable your Wi-Fi adapter in Windows 11. If this guide helps you, consider subscribing and giving the video a like. If the Wi-Fi option is missing from the taskbar or you can't connect to a wireless network, your Wi-Fi adapter may simply be disabled. Fortunately, enabling it only takes a few steps. Start by clicking the search icon on the taskbar and typing Device Manager, then open it. In the Device Manager window, locate Network Adapters and click the arrow next to it to expand the list. Here you'll see all of the network adapters installed on your computer. Find your Wi-Fi adapter. If you're not sure which one it is, check each adapter to make sure it's enabled. A disabled adapter will usually have a small gray arrow icon. Right-click the disabled Wi-Fi adapter and select Enable Device. Windows will take a few moments to enable the adapter, so wait until the process is complete. Once it's enabled, your network settings should refresh automatically. Now click the network icon in the bottom right corner of the taskbar. You should see the Wi-Fi option available again. Turn Wi-Fi on, select your wireless network, and connect as usual. That's it. Your Wi-Fi adapter is now enabled, and you should be able to access the internet normally. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials.